Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to learn to knit this very beautiful knitting stitch pattern. This pattern can be used in your both ladies and gents sweater. This is how it looks like. See, the pattern looks so beautiful and clean. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows, so you'll purl on every wrong side rows for this pattern. So usually you have only one repeat pattern on each row, but for this pattern, on this pattern you will have two repeat pattern on each row. One repeat pattern before this middle part here, this side, and one repeat pattern on this side after this middle part. One repeat pattern here and one repeat pattern here. So this is 16 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast in multiples of 12 and plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. Multiples of 12 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For the demonstration, I have 40 stitches on my needle, which is 12 plus 12 plus 12, 3 times 12, 16, and plus 36, 3 times 12, 36, and plus 2 extra stitches, 38, and plus 2 edge stitches, 40. So we have here total 40 stitches here, and now we have to separate in two parts these 40 stitches. So we have to count 20 stitches here on this row: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, right? And now we have to place a marker here in the middle of this row. So we have here 20 stitches here and 20 stitches here, and now we're going to take one stitch from this side and one stitch from this side. So 2 stitches here, place a marker into these 2 stitches, 1 and 2, right? So we have 2 sides here. We're going to have one repeat pattern on this side and another repeat pattern on this side, right? So row 1, you knit your first edge stitch. This is your edge stitch, and this is going to be our right side, right? This is the right side, and after edge stitch we're going to purl 6, bring the yarn in front and purl 6, and then we're going to start the repeat pattern after purl 6. So purl 6 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have done here edge stitch and purl 6, and then after this purl 6 we're going to start the repeat from here, repeat pattern. So for repeat pattern you need 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and purl 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, this is the repeat pattern. Knit 6, 2, 4, 6, and purl 6, 2, 4, 6. And you're going to repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have on this part, right? Only on this part. If you have more repeats, you repeat that first, and after you finish all repeats, we don't have enough stitches. See, we have to go on this side now, so we don't have enough stitches for the another repeat. So we're going to knit these 2 rows, 2 stitches here. We have finished this part, and now we're going to knit these 2 stitches. See, so now we're gonna leave this marker, and then we're gonna knit 2 here, 1 2, and after this knit 2, now we're going to start this part here. So for this part you purl 6, start the repeat from here, purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the repeat pattern on this part. After this, from here to here, this is the 2 knit stitches from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done purl 6, 2 4 6 and knit 6, 2 4 6. This is the repeat pattern, and you're gonna repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have on this part. So we don't have enough stitches for another repeat. We have our last 7 stitches with the rest is 2 4 6 7. So if you have more repeats, you repeat this repeat pattern first, purl 6 and knit 6, and after you finish your all repeats on this part, you purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is your last stitch, knit. See, row 2 wrong side you purl all stitches, row 2, and for every wrong side rows you purl all stitches. So slip your first as stitch as if you purl, and then purl all stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we have our 2 stitches here, the middle part, 1 2, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and your eye stitch purl on the wrong side. We have finished our row 1 and row 2 here. Row 3, slip your first eye stitch and then purl 3, 1 2 3, and start the repeat from here. So for repeat pattern, we're gonna twist 4 stitches here. We're gonna bring this one knit stitch, this knit stitch here from the front side, and we're gonna knit it first from the front side and place it on your left hand needle, and then knit it first and knit these 3 stitches, 1 2 3, and knit these 2 stitches, 1 2. So we have total knit stitches, 6 knit stitches, 2 4 6, and here we're gonna purl 6, 3 from this and 3 from this, and in front and purl 6, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, twist 4, bring this 4th stitch here, and then knit 1, knit 3 and knit 2, total 6 knit stitches and purl 6, 2 4 6. This is the repeat pattern, and you're going to repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. We don't have enough stitches for another repeat, so I'm going to knit the middle part here. These 2 stitches are middle 2 stitches. So after you finish your all repeats, here you bring this knit stitch here and knit it first, and knit this 3 2 3, and now here we're going to twist this knit stitch this way, one this way and one this way from that 2 knit stitches in the middle. So bring these 3 stitches here from the back side, 1 2 3, and twist, 1 2 3, and knit 3, 1 2 3, and knit this stitch 4. Right, this is the middle part of this row, and now we're going to start the repeat from here. So for repeat pattern, you purl 6, start the repeat from here, purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and knit 2, 1 2, and we're going to twist these 4 stitches. This time we're going to twist this stitch, first stitch this way. Before we twist it this way, now we're going to twist this way. So bring these 3 stitches here from the back side, and bring this stitch here, and knit this 3 stitches, 1 2 3, and knit this stitch. That's the repeat pattern from here to here, purl 6 2 4 6, and then these 6 stitches, 2 4 6. Right, this is the repeat pattern on this part. And after you finish your all repeats, if you have more repeats, you repeat that first. We don't have another repeat, say. And after you finish your all repeats, at last you will have 4 stitches with the rail stitch. Now for these 4 stitches, you purl 3, 1 2 3, and knit your edge stitch. Row 4, wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5, slip your first edge stitch, and then purl 3, 1 2 3, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and purl 6, 2 4 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the repeat pattern. This is the repeat pattern. Knit 6, 2, 4, 6 and purl 6, 2, 4, 6. And after you finish all repeats, now we have this middle part. Knit this 2, 4, 6, 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on this part start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, you purl 6 and knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, purl 6, 2, 4, 6 and knit 6, 2, 4, 6. And after you finish your repeats, for the last 4 stitches, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit your last edge stitch. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, slip your first edge stitch and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, you bring this 4th stitch here from the front side. Knit it first, 1 and these 3, 2, 3, 4, and then knit 2, 1, 2. We have knitted 6 stitches here, total 2, 4, 6, and then purl 6, 3 from here and 3 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, there's 6 stitches and purl 6, 2, 4, 6. And after you finish all repeats, for the last 6 stitches, 3, 3, 6, you bring this 4th stitch here, 4th net stitch here from the front side, 2, 3, and knit 1 and these 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and these 2, 1, 2, 6, total 6, and we have finished this part, right? This is the repeat pattern and this is the last 6 stitches, and here this is the middle part, these 2 stitches, knit this 2, 1, 2, and on this side you need to start the repeat from here. Knit 2, 1, 2, and twist this net stitch this way, so bring these 3 stitches here from the back side, 1, 2, 3, and knit them first, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 4. So we have total 6 stitches here, 2 from here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then purl 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, This is the 2 stitches, middle 2 stitches, and the repeat pattern starts from here, from here, knit 2, and these 4 stitches, 2 4, total knit 6, and then purl 6, 2 4 6. And after you finish your all repeats, for the last 7 stitches with your as stitch, you knit 2, 1 2, and bring these 3 stitches here from the back side, one 2 3, and knit 1 2 3 1 4, total 6 stitches, 2 4 6, and your last as stitch, knit. Row 8, wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 9, slip your first as stitch and then knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and start the repeat from here. After this, knit 6. For repeat pattern, purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the repeat pattern from here to here. Purl 6, 2 4 6, and knit 6, 2 4 6, and we have finished this part. And now we have these 2 middle stitches. For these 2 stitches, you purl 2, 1 2, and start this side. For repeat pattern, you knit 6 and purl 6 on this side. So start the repeat, knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the repeat pattern from here to here. Knit 6 and purl 6, and after you finish all repeats, for the last 7 stitches with the right stitch, knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit your last add stitch. Row 10, wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 11, slip your first add stitch and then knit 3, 1 2 3, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, you purl 6, 3 from here and 3 from here, purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then bring this 4th stitch here from the front side, knit it first, then in back first, and knit 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, purl 6, sorry, 2 4 6. From here to here, purl 6, 2 4 6, and these 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4, and these 2 stitches, knit 6. So that's the repeat pattern. And after you finish your all repeats, here we have last 3 stitches. For these 3 stitches, you purl 3, 1 2 3, and we have finished this side, and here we have 2 middle stitches. For these 2 stitches, purl 2, 1 2, and here we're gonna purl 3. The other side starts from here, so first we're gonna purl 3, 1 2 3, and start the repeat from here after these 3 stitches on this side. So for repeat pattern, you need to 1 2 and bring these 3 stitches here from the back side, 1 2 3, 2 3, and knit 1 2 3 4, and purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here on this side, first purl 3, and repeat pattern starts from here. For repeat pattern, we have done these 4 stitches and then knit 2, total knit 6, and then purl 6, 2 4 6. This is the repeat pattern. And after you finish all repeats, for the last 3 stitches, purl 3, sorry, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit your last edge stitch. Row 12, purl all stitches. Row 13, knit your first edge stitch and then knit 3, 1 2 3, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, purl 6, 2 4 6, and knit 6, 2 4 6. And after you finish your all repeats, for the last 3 stitches, purl 3, 1 2 3, and this is the 2 stitches. See, these 2 stitches, middle 2 stitches, purl this 2, 1 2, and on this side, first you purl 3, 1 2 3, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, knit 6 and purl 6, and your last 3 stitches, 4 stitches, knit 3, 1 2, 3, knit your last edge stitch. Row 14, purl all stitches. Row 15, slip your first edge stitch and then purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, you bring this stitch here from the front side, and knit these 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and knit 2, 1, 2, total 6, 2, 4, 6, and then purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, twist 4 and knit 2, total 6 knit stitches, and purl 6, 2, 4, 6. This is the repeat pattern, and we have finished this side. And here knit these 2 middle stitches, 1, 2, and on this side, before we start the repeat pattern from here. For repeat pattern, you purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and knit 2, 1, 2, and bring these 3 stitches here from the back side, and knit these 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat pattern from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done purl 6, 2, 4, 6, and then the knit 2, and then these 4 stitches, total knit 6. And after you finish your repeats, for the last 7 stitches, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and knit your last edge stitch. Row 16, which is our last row, purl all stitches. So we have finished our last row, row 16 as well, and we have finished one repeat pattern here. See, this is one repeat. Now you repeat this 16 rows, your row 1 to row 16, over and over again until you reach your desired length. See? And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So please give it a thumbs up if you like this pattern, and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.